Hi, I'm Chris Palmer. In this segment, I'm going to show you how to use a biscuit joiner. A biscuit joiner cuts grooves in your work to add splines or register pieces, also called biscuits. The way you do it is you have to set the height of your cut. Say if you're edge joining boards, you want your cut to be centered in the edge, and also you need to make a registry mark across the faces so you know where to line up the centers of each slot that you cut. The biscuit joiner has a fence that is adjustable to many angles. Typically you'll set it at a 90-degree angle. Rest the fence on the top of your work, turn on the saw and just push it in and cut the slot, and you're all ready to glue up with some biscuits. The first thing you want to do to use your biscuit joiner is drop your fence down. Go for a 90-degree for this edge joining. The next thing you want to do is position the blade in the center of your workpiece. So you loosen up this lock nut, and this knob drops you down or brings you up depending on what you need to do to adjust. You need to set the tool to the size biscuit you want to use. We're going to use number 10 biscuits today. This is a number 10. This is a 20. It's a little bit bigger. And here's another example. This is called a face frame biscuit. To use this one, you actually have to change blades, which the new blade comes with the tool when you buy it. My dust collection is in place. I plug in my tool. I put on my safety glasses and hearing protection, and I line up the center of the saw blade with the registration marks I made on my workpiece, and I'm ready to cut. Thanks for watching. I'm Chris Palmer. That's how you use a biscuit joiner.